We got a real cold one today. Spot 6, little solo dolo. Morning hunt, try to get a couple birds. No dog. Let's see what we can do. Technically like 36 degrees and there's a fucking fish right here. It's funny, but the real feel is really like 18, which is pretty nuts. But I'm feeling pretty lucky with the spot that I'm going to. Should be a couple of birds in here. And I'm thinking with all this wind, a lot of these other spots, all these guys with their dogs ain't gonna pick up the scents that well. I can go in there and clean up if I just keep stomping through everything like I normally do. You guys got anything yet or not?
I mean, dude, this guy didn't point. He flushed 4 birds at the same time. They're all fucking packed together. He flushed them all. They all flew your way.
Okay.
6.
Gotcha.
So.
All right. Hey. All right, guys. Good luck. Headshot. Look at that headshot. Beauteous shot. Beauteous shot. Now I just need one more. hunt paid off. Got my limit. Who needs a dog? Who needs a dog when you are one? Found care, baby. What a shame that this is all dried up and not a lake. Imagine some ducks just bombing in over this shit. You and your boys in the blind. Oh man, nothing better. Nothing better. Anyway, great day. Make sure to subscribe, like the video. Get ready for duck season. Gonna have some sick content. New gun on the way too. All I'll say is, sweet 16.